Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Fever FM.
पद्मावती तुमने जब कोर्स किया यू टू बिकम योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर व्हाट वाज अगर टॉप 3 लर्निंग्स बोलें तुम्हें क्या पता चला जो यू थॉट इधर कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो नहीं है और कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो यू वर राइट अबाउट
आई थिंक एक सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड आई थिंक द बेस ऑफ वॉट आई लर्न एंड एक्सपीरियंस्ड वॉज दैट योगा जो है ना वो इज सो मच मोर देन just the asan. It is like I said, it's a way of helping you to get through life in the best possible way. Because again, हम बोलते हैं ना that we're all energetic beings. हम सारी energy हैं. हमको समझ में आता है. We are more than just this body. But for us to experience that, we need this body. So yoga, the asan, योग के जो आसन होते हैं, they are designed in such a way, and again they're thousands of years old. Like it's not regular people that have designed it. These are people that have sages that have designed this. So like we were talking about how we store different emotions in the parts of the body. The asan, the purpose of asan is to help you connect to that part of the mind which will give you that idea of samadhi. As Patanjali said, yoga is the process of reaching that place of there is shanti. There is shanti. So that is one thing that I realized, that it's so much more than just asan. And the second thing that I realized is yoga is not just that 1 hour or 40 minutes or 1.5 hours, 90 minutes of class that we do on a mat. It is a way of life. It is because it's a science to help you live a better life. It also gives us tools in our everyday life to be a better human being, to be a more happier human being, to just explore life in the best possible way. And why would one not want to do that, right?
Yeah,
I think
that
that's वो मुझे लगा कि यार मुझे अभी क्यों why did I learn it so late? मुझे बचपन से सीखना चाहिए था यार. ये बचपन से सबको सिखाना चाहिए, क्योंकि because how you see life changes. You see like how everything is related, and how you are already given a tool. Okay, use this to explore your life. आपके life के जो भी problems, आपके mind में जो भी problems है, how do you stop that? And especially right now, I feel is the most ideal time. Every time is ideal, but abhi the way that we are as a collective, I feel is a best time to practice yoga, because it's so much more than just burning calories. Correct. Burning calories is important. I love that. Like I love my kick. But yoga is it's about how, what do you do after you burn those calories? वो 1 घंटे में calories burn के उसके बाद आप क्या कर रहे हो life में? Are your relationships better? Are you a better human being? Cardio तो कर लिया, मतलब heart के लिए, but are you a kind person? Are you using your heart to are you looking at another person? Are you looking at people as मैं heart to heart कैसे connect कर सकती हूँ? So that is the whole idea that yoga teaches you, and it has ready-made tools. You just have to follow that, and I think it's a blessing. I genuinely, like, even right now I feel like chills, because I feel it's there, if you use it. I think that these are the 2 things that I definitely learned. One was it is so much more than just the asan. Second, how it is beyond just the mat, and why didn't it come before? But yeah, these are the 3 things everybody should, I feel, at least try, get into yoga, and then see it for more than just the asan, not just for flexibility. If there are people that also feel, oh मैं flexible नहीं हूँ, I can't do yoga. अरे नहीं यार, मैं तो 1 घंटा बैठ नहीं सकता हूँ या बैठ नहीं सकती हूँ एक जगह में वैसे. But it's not that. Give it that chance to get into you, get into your mind. Correct. And you will be surprised, you will just be amazed at ये पहले क्यों नहीं किया मैंने,
ये पहले क्यों नहीं किया, ये इसीलिए तो ये boot camp है for people who are always just listening to the fact that yoga से होगा. For people who are just saying the fact
yoga से होगा definitely, but they need to try it.
Yeah, and होगा अगर आप करेंगे. So of course that is why we have so many people and guests talking about nutrition, talking about movements, talking about breathing, talking about meditation. Padmavati, ये बात बताओ, what is your, I mean I know ये question ऐसा है कि you're like, how, but what's your favorite आसन? जब तुमने ऐसा होता है ना, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि ये चीज़ तो मैं खड़े खड़े कर सकती हूँ, या ये चीज़ बैठे बैठे is really nice. So what would you like, simple आसन ऐसे कोई जो आप सलाह देना चाहें for people who are new?
Okay, for people that are new, ऐसे मेरे कोई तो favorite आसन पर से है नहीं. I like a lot of asanas, and then also like I said, क्योंकि मेरा intention, the whole idea is to make you feel. तो कुछ भी करा लो यार, जब ये मतलब whenever I'm practicing, you know, yoga, I am disconnected from. You know, the best thing is you're disconnected from outside, but you're so connected inside. So for me it's that. But for somebody जो नया है और जो करना चाहता है, one asan that I will you know like is can we do it? Yeah. So बैठ के कर सकते हैं. So इसको बोलते हैं पर्वतासन, also known as mountain pose. Don't worry. Sit. You'll be able to, of course. I will respect that. Okay, I'm wearing shoes, but anyway. I'll if अगर आप करना चाहोगे, if you are watching us, if you'd like to practice this, it'll only take like a couple of minutes maybe. So what I want you to do is, first things first, सबसे पहली चीज़ तो you know, you want to make sure that you're feeling the earth or feeling the ground. So what I want you to do is get your arms next to you, थोड़ा सा ऊपर, and then sit again. So your sit bones are nice and firm on the floor. You feel it? You feel the earth? Nice. Now this is called Sukhasana. So this posture where you're sitting, it's a meditative posture. It's called Sukhasana. Again, this is also a meditative posture. If you want to sit, just keep your arms next to you, elbows slightly away from your body, your palms facing the ceiling, your back nice and tall, your shoulders roll back and relaxed, your neck nice and tall. Now imagine यहाँ पे आपके crown of the head से somebody is pulling a string. So your back is nice and tall again. So you're sitting like this. You could sit here for a couple of breaths. Inhale and exhale, the same conscious breathing. Now as you inhale, what I want you to do is keep your arms next to you, next to your body. Now as you inhale, I want you to take them up as you inhale and make a namaste. If this is too much, आप इसको intertwine कर सकते हो fingers को, or keep them like this. Now make sure your back is nice and tall on top of your head. Adha. Your back, your neck, nice and tall. Now just inhale like a mountain, nice and firm on the ground and nice and tall from the head and your upper body. Just inhale and exhale a couple of times. One more time, inhale and exhale. Now inhale. As you exhale, turn your palms around away from each other and bring them down slowly. Nice. Parvatasana or the mountain pose is a great way to, you know, like a mountain, feel like a mountain, nice and firm, solid on the ground, and nice and tall, unshakable from the spine. So
this is also great for people जो बैठे रहते for long hours और ऐसा आपका posture ऐसा हो जाता है normally.
Of course, yes.
You're usually either like that or you're looking down, and this is great to remind you to
straighten the back. And it's very you know, it's another interesting thing about yoga also is that a lot of काफ़ी सारे आसन हैं, not काफ़ी, almost every asan has to do with the spine and how your spine is shaped. And energetically, spine is the place for your energies to travel. So a healthy spine is a healthy body. You can say how healthy a person is depending on how healthy their spine is, because that is the place where even internally the energies का transfer होता है, which is why they say that sit straight. It's very important. It's more than just. So what yoga does is it reminds you to, you know, work on the spine and make it tall and flexible, and so that is also another interesting thing about yoga.
क्या बात है. So this is, like I said, another way to remind yourself कि जब भी आप कोई भी चीज़, चाहे इमोशन स्टोर करें, चाहे आप काम, आप अपनी स्टोरेज फ़ोन की चेक करें, जो भी करें, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू डू सच मूव्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स रिमाइंड योरसेल्फ. अगर आप you know, what is the best time? I mean, of course, कहते हैं morning hour is really nice. Pooja also was saying that she likes to work out in the evening क्योंकि तब उनकी energy ज़्यादा होते हैं. But considering कि तुम एक instructor हो, तुम you know, not just in fitness coach करती हो, but even otherwise emotionally लोगों को coach करती हो. तो what do you think would you advise is the ideal time to work out? Yeah, yoga, whatever.
I feel ideal time for me, ideal would be mornings, because वही बात होती है ना कि जब आप सुबह उठते हो, you're still fresh.
Correct.
You know, even in the even in yoga, the tradition, they say that 4 a.m. is.
Correct.
I'm not asking people to get up. If you can get up at 4 a.m., it's 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. is an ideal time to do anything, start anything new, because your mind is very not. Anytime you get Brahma Muhurt जैसे उसको बोलते हैं, like because the energies of सारे solar system कह रही हूँ, like earth की, your morning is starting. There's even nature is shifting. You know, there's a shift happening in nature, and we are a part of nature. So it's ideal if you can sync that with nature. But nothing like it. But again, having said that, everybody has their convenience. We live in a world of convenience. So जब भी आप उठो, for me, ideal time is first thing in the morning. Like I said, you breathe. Your mind is still comparatively not as caught up with other things. So when you do that first thing in the morning for yourself, you sort of set a tone. कि okay, now मैंने अपने आप पे काम किया है. Then for the rest of the day, मैं क्या चाहता हूँ कि do I want to add to that, or do I want to dismiss that completely and, you know, do things that will cause stress in me, or, you know, cause anger in me. So that I feel ideally mornings is what I advocate, that do it in the morning, because again, like, you know, it sort of sets the tone for the rest of the day. But anytime, if mornings are not doable, any times even in the evenings, just make sure that 1 hour or 1.5 hours, जितने भी time के लिए जो भी workout करता है, they are there completely, and not अभी मेरा है, अच्छा एक minute, let me just check my phone, I have a message, oh let me just post this. What that does, again, you're training your mind to be distracted. Okay, something is not important. If you're there 1 hour, make it your hour. It's for you.
That is true.
And you know, it's for the thing that you're doing. So I think any time is ideal, as long as you're intentional about it, as long as you're involved in it. It's ideal because it does what it has to anyway.
क्या बात है. अच्छा, जो लोग हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं in this yoga boot camp, this is Padmavati Iyengar, this is me Ada, and should we, आप अगर comment करें तो should we end with a pranayam session if you would
Sure.
ऐसे करें?
I think pranayam,
how would you wanna?
I don't mind. Pranayam, I wouldn't say.
Yeah, meditation.
We could do the breathing, the 4 and 4, and then what I will also teach you is something called diaphragmatic breathing.
Diaphragmatic breathing. So diaphragm, again, now is the time where we need to use our lungs, we need to use our diaphragm. Yes, and I think that's how since COVID-19, since lockdown, ज़्यादा लोग इसीलिए भी आए हैं towards breathing and yoga, because how they say your lungs have to be really healthy.
Absolutely.
तो चलिए, better late than never, आपने किया ही है शुरू, तो फिर ये भी कर लेते हैं quick session. Just before we end this session, everybody, जो भी हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, a nice, lovely breathing and connecting session with Padmavati.
Yes. So I'll instruct it to them also.
Yes.
So I'll instruct this to everybody. So if you're seated, just make sure, like I said, your sit bones are nice and firm on the ground. Your back nice and tall. Imagine somebody's pulling you from the top of your head or the crown of your head. So your back is nice and tall. Whenever you feel your arms gently placed on top of your thighs, your palms facing the ceiling. You can either stay in this mudra or something called Gyan Mudra, where your index finger and your thumb are joined, and you can keep them like this, or I like to keep it open, whatever you feel. Your shoulders roll back away from your ears, your shoulders relaxed, your neck nice and tall. If you feel ready, gently with a nice smile on your face, close your eyes. Your eyebrows relaxed, your forehead relaxed, your jaw relax. So unclench your jaw, अपने जबड़ों को हल्का and relax. Now take a couple of moments to just observe how your heart is beating, how you're breathing right now. Can you feel your inhales and exhales? Just observe that. Get your mind to observe how you're inhaling and exhaling. And whenever you feel ready, we're going to inhale and exhale through the nose. So inhale all the way into the stomach. Exhale all the way out through the nose, sort of emptying the stomach. Take a nice inhale again. And exhale, emptying the stomach. Sort of just allowing your body to release all that it wants to release. Inhale. Nicely, intentionally and consciously. All the way into the stomach. Exhale all the way out. 2 more times. Inhale. So your stomach expands. Exhale, your belly button sort of goes towards your spine. Also notice, this is a good moment to notice if you're holding any breath, any air anywhere around your chest. कहीं पे भी आप कहीं अगर air को block करते हो, give yourself permission to release that. It's okay. Now we're going to inhale for 4 and exhale for 4. Okay? Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe normally. Now we'll do something called diaphragmatic breathing. So the diaphragm, what I want you to do is, Ada, if you can get your arms, just so that you can feel it, place them slightly below your chest. This is where we're going to breathe. So as we inhale, so watch me first. As I inhale, what is going to happen is I'm going to breathe into this area. So this is where the lungs and the heart is, and this is where the diaphragm is. So the diaphragm is going to expand, and then as we exhale, it's going to contract. So this is just to observe what happens. So your back again, nice and tall, your shoulders relaxed. Just make sure जब भी आप ये breathing करते हो, your back is relaxed, your neck is relaxed, your eyebrows, forehead is relaxed, and you're sitting nice and tall. So as you inhale, I want you to breathe into this area, and as you exhale, you're going to exhale from the same area. So as you inhale, 2, 3, 4, your diaphragm goes up and expands, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, it contracts and goes down. Notice that. So inhale, 2, 3, up and out. Exhale, 2, down and back. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Notice your chest goes up. Inhale, 2, and out. 3, 4. Exhale, it goes down and contracts. 2, 3, 4. Let's do this one more time. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, 2, 3, 4. Relax, breathe normally. So what we just did is we're expanding the diaphragm and contracting, and the more expansive the diaphragm is, the more it has your lungs and your heart has space to move and contract, so you breathe better. Right. So you allow your body to take in more air, and yeah, release more carbon dioxide.
क्या बात है. It's the simple little things. I mean seriously, आजकल ये जो सारी हंसी वादियाँ, खुला आसमान, ये वाटरफॉल, ये इतना कुछ हम देख रहे हैं. I mean ये simple little things भी इतना मुश्किल हो गई है मिलना. This is not really in our control as much. लेकिन ये सारी चीज़ें हम फिर भी कर सकते हैं. No matter where we are.
Absolutely. Thank you for mentioning that कि हम experience नहीं कर सकते हैं. One reminder जो मैं सबको देना चाहूँगी, that even though हम nature, not everybody has the opportunity to go experience nature. We are a part of nature. This is just a reminder. We are made up of nature. हम actually even our we are made up of the 5 elements of nature: fire, wind, water, earth. So just connecting, the more you connect with yourself and see everything like food, water that you have, and things that you do and how you breathe, if you do it with intention, you are experiencing nature. And even if you can just go out and spend time, if you have the opportunity, agar ek पेड़ भी होगा, it's lovely. Breathing good air, it's lovely. But you can always remind yourself to connect to that nature inside you also with just simple things, right? You don't have to do वो भी एक और चीज़ होती है ना कि सब बोलते हैं हाँ मुझे करना तो है योगा, पर ये मुझसे ये आसन नहीं होता है, I can't do this, this I'm not so. All of that, you start somewhere and then you just are okay. जो होता है because you're experiencing the same thing, and the more you advance, you will experience more. Yeah, that's
Superb. Thank you so much, Padmavati. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको यहाँ पर लाकर. And it's also great, especially for people to know and remember that it's never too late. आप शुरू करें. बस आपको मन बनाना है, आप शुरू करें. And इस boot camp का हिस्सा बने रहे. How did you enjoy coming यहाँ पर हमारे साथ?
Yes, of course. Thank you so much for having me. And certain things that हमने जो discuss किए, I'm also so passionate.
Yeah, sorry. एक और चीज़ मुझे बतानी, secret about Padmavati after she's done. हाँ.
Okay. Okay.
बोलो ना.
नहीं, मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि certain things that we spoke about, I'm so happy कि मैंने वो बात किया क्योंकि I'm so passionate about that. And I think it's important, if not anything, यार last year ने एक बात ज़रूर सिखाई है, that it's time that we see life and do things in life that's beyond us. That because everything is changing. If not anything, Corona ने वो तो बता दिया यार, nothing is going to be permanent. Correct. That's the ultimate truth of life. Things are going to change, and how we adapt to that change is on us. That's the only thing that's on us, and how we adapt to change and how we see, that's also my passion. That how do I, make fitness, make movement, make dancing, make breathing with an intention of making people comfortable of change. Because even when you're moving, when you're burning calories, when you're losing weight, there is a change. And what is your attitude while you're at it? अगर नहीं भी हो रहा है यार, change तुम चाहते हो ये हो पर नहीं हो रहा है, how is your attitude while you're doing that? Are you happy, or are you like crying, and are you like, shit, why am I doing this? That translates to everything that you do in life. So even if you this is also again, no, you didn't ask me, but this is also a message that if अगर आप चाहते हो कि you want to make that switch into yoga or anything that आप आज yoga day है तो आज से yoga शुरू, do it and make sure that you're doing it intentionally.
Correct.
Very important. Do it intentionally and joyfully, because that's the whole point of life. Just do it joyfully. That's the only thing that's in your control. Nothing else is. Correct. So you sort of train your mind to get to that place.
That is true. And the little, it's not a secret really, but it's a very fun thing also. Another fun thing about Padmavati is that ye Hindustani classical music mein bhi trained hai yaar. Padmavati, let's have a nice, lovely one song from you for
wow,
this.
Okay, wow. Okay, shit. Sorry, I should have.
एक गाना हो जाए. कोई भी.
Yeah, Ghana, I'm not so. This thing. So again, I think Ada, what I will also touch on, ki again, even that I am thanks to my gurus. I am trained in that, and I feel that even Hindustani music, even music is a way. Music, correct. Food, yoga, these are all gifts that help us connect. So I also the whole idea is using music also in a way to sort of heal you, sort of make you feel good. So that is what I do with the Hindustani training that I
सुपर, तो उसको भी इनकॉर्पोरेट कर लिया for your
yes
wellness.
yes
क्या बात है.
why not
चलिए, thank you so much for joining us once again, Padmavati. It
Thank
was
you,
fabulous
Ada.
having you. Yoga boot camp पर आप भी बने रहिए. Lots of such esteemed guests and inputs आपको मिलते रहेंगे. This is ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund presents Yoga Boot Camp powered by Bisleri. Visit shop.bisleri.com. A banking partner Kotak Mahindra Bank, associate partner Marino Laminates, and health partner Health Shots. Thank you so much for this wonderful session, Padmavati.
Thank
एक बार
you,
फिर
thank
से.
you so
That's
much.
Padmavati Iyengar. Everybody,
Thank
please
you, Ada.
attend her sessions to experience this
How
magic.
sweet.
Yes,
How sweet.
you have to experience the magic. चाहे energy हो, breathing हो, it's a lovely connection जो सिर्फ आप experience कर पाएंगे जब आप इनकी क्लास attend करेंगे. And for more such magic, बने रहे on Yoga Boot Camp.